Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the R sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The R sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word ong, or at the middle of the word, like nói, or at the end of the word, like nho. Now let's see how to pronounce the R sound. First, let's talk about the tongue. Tip of your tongue is placed behind lower teeth. The body of the tongue is down. Rise the back of the tongue up. Tense your tongue and move it a little bit back. Open your mouth partially. Round your lips and tense them. The last thing you have to remember about the R sound is that it is a long sound. So you have to prolong the R sounding word like R, 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 ong, nói, nho. Now let's try to say some words with the R sound. I'm gonna say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to repeat after me. First, the R sound at the beginning of the word. Ong, óc, óng, ót, ọp. Now the R sound at the middle of the word. Mỏi, nói, đói, tỏi, bóng, phòng, khóc, bòng, cọc, đọc, nón, võng. Now the R sound at the end of word. Bò, cò, đó, thỏ, chó, đỏ, cỏ, nhỏ, khó, rõ, con ong, thỏ con, lon ton, nho to, học nhóm, đom đóm. Now let's practice saying some sentences with many of the R sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Gà, con, đi, lon, ton. Now a little bit faster. Gà, con, đi, lon, ton. Now with normal speed. Gà con đi lon ton. Con, bò, to, có, con, bò, nhỏ, có, cỏ. Now a little bit faster. Con bò to, có con bò nhỏ, có cỏ. Now with normal speed. Con bò to có con bò nhỏ có cỏ. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.